Now, hockey East Africa secondary school winners, that is Nyamira girls from Siaya County, have begun to recruit new players to bolster their side ahead of the trip to Serbia. They led Kenya to winning a 1, 2, and 3 finish in the hockey games in East Africa in Rwanda, and the side is in a buoyant mood ahead of the Serbian trip.
It was really a fight. In our final match with Tigoi, we really had to play hard and strong in order to be the national champions. And we went to the East African Games as Kenya won.
It really felt good going to Rwanda because we never knew we'd reach that point. Knowing that we are exposed out there and we are playing hockey and that it is now known because of our efforts, we will continue putting more effort.
It was a very difficult journey because teams were very strong, especially at the nationals. And when we were going to East Africa, also these guys were determined. We prepared them mentally, we prepared them psychologically and socially.
The girls are disciplined. The girls have passion for hockey. And I think this is what has made us reach where we have reached.
Timu imequalify kwenda kurepresent Africa kwa mashindano ya shule za upili. Inaitwa World School Games kule Belgrade, Serbia. Itakuwa mwaka kesho. Mwaka ujao mwezi wa 4.
Many times the hockey carry out their practice from 4 to 5:30 every day. We don't give them an extra minute outside the class time.
Now, the Uniqlo wheelchair tournament entered day 2 at the Nairobi Sports Club after 3-year hiatus with 16 players from 7 countries, including Kenya, Tanzania, Morocco, South Africa, Mali, and France, gracing the meetup. The winners will increase their ITF ranking, a point to enable them book a slot at the Paris 2024 Olympics.
Nimetoka kucheza na mchezaji kutoka Ufaransa. Changu cha msingi ambao nimepata zaidi ni ile experience kwa mipira yake mizito. Sasa wale wenzetu kama yeye ule kwa wanafanya na training na zile robot ambazo zinakurushia mpira, sasa unapiga tu. Sasa na anatumia nguvu kuliko sisi. Nafu bike yake ni ile nyepesi na unaenda tu na 1 push. So wenzetu sisi paka tupushi 2 pushes. Ama 3% upate ule mpira.
Wito yetu kwa serikali ni kuwa like other athletes wale wenda nje na wana perform poa, wanarudi na gold, silver, bronze. The same round, me and my partner Phoebe in wheelchair tennis, we won silver. And as usual, President upeana money for awards for silver. We just request them not to show any kind of discrimination.